Here's a brand new 2024 Yamaha SX 190. It's the red and white color scheme. Comes with a single axle trailer, profile performance winch, and a swing tongue. The back of the boat, we have partial sea decking, which is the bare fiberglass, the lower section here. Here's the jet drive. This comes with standard cleats, not the pull-out, which you see some other Yamaha models. Here's the interior walkthrough of this 2024 SX 190. This guy has the marine carpet on the inside, dual captain's chairs, ample amount of storage. This boat comes with Yamaha's brand new high output 1.9 liter. Bimini top, because this is the SX version, so it doesn't come with a tower. Lots of room up in the bow of the boat. Lots of storage. A large ski locker. Comes with a small touchscreen. And that concludes the interior walkthrough of this Yamaha SX 190.